token, no receipt. Yep, Futura SSA. Got a token to put in the token machine. Oh, it's telling us to drive forward. Go slowly because it might be undercarriage. Yep, undercarriage. Yeah, you might want to turn on the wipers.
What the hell?
That was a quick
The
undercarriage.
turned off, and whatever that was wasn't supposed to happen.
Stop.
Because it sprayed my windshield and I couldn't see where the fuck I was going.
Yeah. Looks like it's a pre-soak. Looks like the... Oh, your wipers are on. It's actually a solid covering of pre-soak. Oh, high pressure wash, I think. Yep. Wow, it's rocking the car. Oh, it didn't get all the soap off the front windshield. I'm pretty sure it'll come back across. There it goes. It got the soap off the front windshield. Looks like it has triple foam sprayers on it. Yep, triple foam. Or it looks like double foam. Yep, double foam. Blue isn't working. Yeah, there's no blue today. And it immediately went to the high pressure stuff. It's rocking and hard. This one certainly looks a lot better than the one that TJC did. I think we're on the spot free rinse now.
There's nothing to tell us.
The signage doesn't work, I guess.
There's a couple of leaks in the hoses.
Spot free rinse.
Track. I've never seen one on a track like this. Let me see.
Hold on.
Let me see your phone real quick.
Hold on. I got it. Oh, yeah, it is on a track.
You see the track over there?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, it's weird.
Yeah. Oh, we gotta go forward. That was pretty quick. Yeah. Looks like these dryers aren't working either.
They're working, just not very well.
Yeah. That's it. Alright, hope you'll enjoy it. That was my very first Futura SSA car wash video. Hope you'll enjoy it. Bye.